Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a ride in our 1967 Chevy Camaro hardtop. Nice little mean resto mod here, featuring a red exterior, torque thrust wheels. As you can see, they added the performance 2-inch cowl induction hood, along with the SS stripes coming from the top and I believe to the back. Moving on to the interior now, as you can see, they also upgraded that, painted that fine red coming across the dash, stock door panels. Very nice custom-made console, and of course the racing bucket seats, which you're in right now. Underneath the hood, coming to an LS swap motor, which definitely gives it a little bit of power. And no, I am not doing this for my own amusement. I am doing this just so you guys can see how nice this car really is. I mean, even look at that right there. You not only have performance gauges, but you have a nice, I'd like to say, touchscreen AC system. Definitely something I've never seen in an older car like this before. For a first generation Camaro, I think you're sure in luck. But as for now, we're just going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so stay tuned to see the underneath.